friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen breaded mushrooms in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of frozen breaded mushrooms, no need to defrost. Air fryer will cook them straight from frozen. So I'm going to open up the package of breaded mushrooms. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to put frozen breaded mushrooms in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the mushrooms. Look at these delicious frozen breaded mushrooms. So nicely browned, perfectly cooked. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Hear how crispy they are? Air fryer makes these mushrooms so crispy. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. So delicious. The breading is so crispy on the outside and the mushrooms are perfectly cooked inside. You will love cooking frozen breaded mushrooms in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!